Hello, family. Today I'm going to make homemade hamburger helper. Come join me. Okay, to start this, we're going to brown 1 pound of hamburger. We'll get this browned up and then we'll go on to the next step. Is everybody getting ready for fall? I know some of you live down south. You're really happy about this fall coming, cooler temperatures. And we are here too in Minnesota. It's just that we're not looking forward to winter. Unless you're a snowmobiler. But you just keep doing it. You keep shoveling. You keep snow blowing. We actually, we bought a snow blower, which was a lot better deal. I don't remember. I think we paid like $500 for it. It was so, but we were paying to get plowed out. We were paying $40 every time, and which was a good price around here because it runs even higher than that. But it was a friend of ours, and but it still got expensive because sometimes in the wintertime in Minnesota, you can get heavy plowable snow 2 to 3 times a week. So it was in the average winter, just with buying the snowblower, we saved. We would have paid more in that 1 year to get plowed out. So it was a good deal. And I went out yesterday and I cut down all the flowers that were dead. There's still some blooming. My fall flowers are blooming, but most of the ones that were dead I cut down. So getting ready. Chipmunks are still out. I just saw one this morning. Hummingbirds are still here. They should be here. They'll be leaving around the 14th. Another couple weeks, week and a half. Just today's the 3rd, September 3rd. So yeah, they'll be leaving in about a week and a half. But then, you know, you have a whole new spring and summer to look forward to, so. Okay. I'm going to get some paper towel here because I know this is going to need to be. I already can see that I got a little bit of grease to get rid of here. Okay. Looks like there's more there, so I'll get that out. All right, that should be good. All right, I'm going to change my gloves and we'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to add half an onion diced. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Let me turn this down a little bit right now. Okay, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And I'll put the recipe in the description. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. And 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Where's my chili powder? There it is. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add a little bit of, about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. There we go. Stir that up a little bit. I'm going to let that cook for a couple minutes, just a couple minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to add I'm going to add 3½ cups of beef broth. I got to get the 1/2 cup, but I want this on high because I want this to come to a boil. And I usually buy the low sodium, but I don't know why I didn't last time. Okay, we're going to let this come to a boil before we add the noodles. Okay, this is at a full rolling boil, so I'm going to add 1 cup of uncooked macaroni. That's what the recipe says, so I'm going to turn that down to medium, so it's still boiling. Every once in a while you want to stir it to sticks to the bottom, so I'm going to do that. It's got about another 10 minutes to go. Okay, this is done. It's stuck to the bottom a little bit, but we'll take care of that. Now I'm going to turn it off. Noodles are done. Looks really good. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and melt that in there. And then that's it. We'll see how this tastes. And I'm going to change the recipe just a little bit here. I am going to add just a little bit of milk. Because that's what I do. I always change the recipe a little bit. There. I like that much better. I brought the creaminess back to it. Okay, now we can try it. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? First bite. Let's try it. Yeah, it's actually better than Hamburger Helper. Mm-hmm. I like it better. It's got more flavor. Thank you for joining me today, and I want to thank you, all my new family members. Welcome to the family. And like I say to all my family members from the beginning, if you have any specific prayer needs, you can email me. My email is on my channel, and I will pray for you individually. Otherwise, I pray for all of you. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.